I'm gonna take over the world. Isn't that right, Jaden? Oh, you ain't talking? Alright. I'm just gonna leave you hanging while I take over the world. Hey kids, I'm home. Hi, Mom. Hi, Mom. Hey, what are you kids still doing at this time? It's literally 12 o'clock in the morning. What are you doing still on your electronics? Mom, can we please stay on the electronics for a little longer? Please, 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 please. Alright, fine. But only this time. Yes! Yay! Yeah, but I'm going to bed. Good night, kids. Good night, Mom. Good night, Mom. Brother? Yes? What happened to the lights? I don't know. And also, why is it so dark? Because the lights are out, duh. Anyways, we should go tell Mom. Yeah, I agree. Let's go. Let's go tell Mom! Oh my god. Brother, she's hanging on a rope. Oh my god. My neck is bleeding like crazy. Now, we have to call the cops. We have to call the cops now. Okay, I'm gonna call them right now.
911, what is your emergency?
I see my mom is hanging on a rope. I don't know why. I don't know who killed her, but I need your help.
What? Calm down, kids. Let me know what's happening.
There's a killer in my house, and then I don't know. Just send help immediately.
Okay, what is your address?
My address is 123 Texas Avenue.
Okay, calm down. I'm sending an officer right away.
Okay, thank you, officer. Go, 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 go. Go down, go down.
Sergeant Moore!
Hey kids, where is the body? It's up there.
You heard him, Sergeant One. Let's go! Move it! Move it! Move it!
Send you to foster care.
Move it! Send the
And
kids
so
to
they
foster
sent
care.
the kids to foster care, but they were still traumatized to see what happened to their mother. And still to this day, the murderer was never found. Hey Jaden, how do you feel? Oh, you're silent now, huh? It's fine. I don't need you to talk anyways. Have fun hanging on that crucifix. Have fun. I'll go murder those silly children.
And that was the story of how Danny EXE caused many trouble that day. Thanks for watching Jaden and Danny YouTube. Now available on Netflix. See you soon.